need a ticket to ride the train, so first let me show to you how to purchase an unlimited Tokyo Metro subway ticket that is valid for 24 hours for only 600 yen. Select Value Tickets and select Tokyo Metro 600 yen Adults. You can either use your Pasmo, but for this guide, let's use money instead. Don't forget to get your tickets and your change after processing. The expiration will be stamped on the ticket after first use. So you see this circle? That means we're here on the station, Otemachi Station, and on the station all these lines meet. The I line, the T line Tozai, C line Chiyoda, Z line, and M line, which is the Marunouchi line. And our destination is actually going to Chikatetsu Akatsuka. So on this line, the F line and the Y line, Yurakucho line, meets at this station. That means we can either take a train, either the Y line or the F line, going to Chikatetsu Akatsuka. Now we will find a station. Let's pause the video for a while. As you can see, at this station, the Marunouchi, Fukutoshin, and Yurakucho line meets, and this means this is one of the stations where we can transfer after boarding a Marunouchi line from the Otemachi station, where the M line could meet. So on the station where we're at right now, we have the Marunouchi line, and as you can see, the Marunouchi line meets with the F line. So that means we can take the Marunouchi line going to M25, and at M25 we will transfer to Fukutoshin line, F line, and that is the F09 or the 9th station of the F line. And then we will take a ride going to Chikatetsu Akatsuka. The other way around would be to take the Yurakucho line. So we are here at M18 for the Marunouchi line, and we're also here at the Tozai line, which is the 9th line of the Tozai line. So from here we can take a Tozai line going to TO6, and at TO6 we will transfer station to Yurakucho line. From Yurakucho line, which is the 13th line of the Yurakucho line, you can then take a line going straight to Chikatetsu Akatsuka. Alright, let's go and find our train. Just look at the directions on the wall and overhead. So first, we're going to take the Marunouchi line, and then we will transfer to Fukutoshin line. This board can be found just before you reach the train's platform. And just by looking at this, you can actually tell what your transfer options are. This says Platform 1, and we are at Marunouchi Line's 18th station. This will also tell us that we can either transfer at M13 and use Yurakucho line, or transfer at M09 and use Fukutoshin. Above, it says Fukutoshin line is 145 meters away. We will just follow the direction to get to the next train. And always remember, stand on the left and walk on the right. Upon exit, if you're transferring to another metro line, use the orange machine and use any machine when you re-enter. Since we're going to F03, then we'll board the train in track 4. And another word of caution, be careful when boarding the train since some metro lines share tracks with each other, such as the F and Y line sharing tracks from stations 09 to 01. It says that at exactly 3:29 p.m., a local train will arrive that is bound for Wakoshi. And if you can remember, Wakoshi is the last station for the F and Y line. So if we will board the train at 3:29 p.m. at platform 4, since we are at F station number 13, this will go all the way to station 1 passing at station 3, which is the station where we will go down.